All right, I'm going to show you how to use QuickTime, which is free on your Mac laptop or your Mac desktop. And QuickTime is an amazing tool for making real simple, quick videos. So you're just going to pull up QuickTime, and it's going to show up here in the upper left-hand corner. Now, there's a couple of things: new screen or new movie. So now, if I do new movie right here, so this one I'm going to, with it selected right here, I'm going to do window float on top, and that's going to make this recording. Now, if I were to kind of, let's see, right here, change my FaceTime. Did you notice I had to click that down arrow and grab my FaceTime camera? All right. Now, because it is on, I did float on top. That means this picture of me will always be on top of whatever I'm showing on my computer. Right, so let's say here is the important screen that I really wanted to talk about. I don't know why I wanted to talk about this, but then let's say it's this one, because actually I'm making a video for this, Mac to Google Drive. All right, so now I'm going to go back into QuickTime Player. I'm going to do screen recording. All right, so now screen recording, it's thinking. Now, I see that camera right there. That camera just means it's going to take a it's going to do a screen of the entire screen, right? And I'm going to just hit record. And so now I am supposedly recording with this QuickTime right here. Now, if I click on this thing right here, this image, always, my little pop out up, always stays there. And I can, while I'm teaching, I can make it bigger. I can move stuff around, I can teach, but then if this gets too big, I can always shrink it and move it over here. And now I'm still teaching. When I'm done, you'll notice way in the top, way up here, I've actually got two going on. This is the QuickTime. This is the one I'm using to make this video. But anyway, when I'm done, I'm going to click on this done button right here, that stop recording button. And there is my video. So I'm going to get out a QuickTime Player right now. There we go. And so here is the video that I just made. I am supposedly recording with this QuickTime right here. All right. Now, and so it's very, I'm going to stop right here. It is very meta. But the idea is the QuickTime can allow you to either do just a screencast, just a movie of you, or you can do them both. You could do a movie, float it on top, and then do a screencast. So now you get all of that professional, awesome screencasting with a pop-up window power, all from a free app that's on your iMac or your MacBook laptop. But now that it's recorded, we have to talk about, okay, where are you going to put it? Like, where did it go, right? So I'm going to close. This is the video I made. Now, when I close it, and in fact, I can hide my Chrome browser as well. There it is, right here, down here. That's the video I just made. And so I'm going to name it something useful, iMac to Google Drive, right? So how do you make a recording with your iMac and then send it directly to your Google Drive for free, right? So just to open it up to make sure, yep, that's the movie I just made right here. I'm kind of dragging through. All right, so now this is the app or the file that I'm going to send to my Google Drive. So I'm going to open up my Google Drive, and this is just kind of boring stuff. You don't actually need to see this. This is just kind of, I'm just going to click, and eventually I'm going to put it in my e-learning folder. I'm going to put it right here because this is where I want to store all my videos. And so now it's going to show up right, what did I call it? I called it iMac. So it's loading, and there it is right there. It's going to take a little while to process, but I can now share that. And anybody who can view this link anybody on the internet with the link will be able to view that video. So that's how you use QuickTime. You can record your video and then you upload the resulting file into your Google Drive.